Hello, and welcome back to Joda Decor, your go-to channel for vintage decor inspiration. Today, we're diving into the world of cottagecore living rooms, cozy, rustic, and oh so inviting. Whether you're looking to transform your space into a countryside retreat or just add a few warm touches, we've got plenty of ideas for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Now, let's get started. Cottagecore decor is all about creating a soft and welcoming atmosphere. Opt for warm, neutral tones like creamy whites, soft beiges, and muted pastels. These colors will give your living room a light and airy feel while still maintaining that cozy, lived-in look. Incorporate natural materials like linen and cotton for added warmth. Nothing says cottagecore like beautiful vintage furniture. Look for pieces with distressed wood, intricate carvings, or a slightly worn-in charm. A rustic coffee table, a classic farmhouse-style sofa, or a vintage cabinet can add that perfect touch of nostalgia to your space. Flea markets and thrift stores are great places to hunt for these treasures. Layering different textures is key to creating a warm and inviting cottagecore living room. Mix and match soft knitted throws, fluffy cushions, and woven baskets to add depth and comfort to your space. A well-placed wool rug or a quilt draped over a chair can instantly make the room feel snug and welcoming. Florals are an essential element of the cottagecore aesthetic. Whether it's floral wallpaper, delicate botanical prints, or hand-embroidered cushions, these elements bring a fresh, countryside feel to your home. If you're feeling adventurous, try incorporating vintage floral curtains or a beautifully upholstered armchair for an extra touch of romance. To truly embrace the warm and rustic charm of cottagecore, lighting is everything. Swap out harsh overhead lights for soft, ambient lighting. Think vintage-style table lamps, candlelit sconces, or even fairy lights draped around shelves. The glow of a few flickering candles can add instant warmth to your living room. Every cottagecore living room needs a cozy reading nook. Find a comfortable armchair, drape it with a soft throw, and add a small side table for your favorite books and a cup of tea. Position your nook near a window to take advantage of natural light and create the perfect little retreat for peaceful moments. Plants and fresh flowers are an absolute must for a cottagecore living room. Consider potted plants like ivy, ferns, or lavender to add a touch of nature to your space. A bouquet of dried flowers in a vintage vase can also bring a rustic, countryside charm that lasts for months. Handmade decor pieces bring a unique and personal touch to your space. Try knitting a chunky throw, embroidering cushion covers, or even repurposing an old piece of furniture with a distressed paint finish. These DIY touches add character and make your living room feel truly one of a kind. To complete your cozy cottagecore retreat, add vintage-inspired accessories. A collection of antique books, a delicate teapot, or an old-fashioned clock can enhance the nostalgic feel of your living room. Don't forget to display sentimental items like family heirlooms or handmade crafts to make your space feel even more personal. And there you have it, beautiful and cozy cottagecore living room ideas to transform your space into a warm, rustic retreat. Which idea was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Joda Decor, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more vintage decor inspiration.